I picked this up at the flea market several years ago, and I'm not exactly sure what it is. I have a pretty good idea, but we're going to find out, or try to anyway. It says Bell System, and this is what the front looks like. Looks like it's well built. Even has a strap on the top to keep it in, and it says mega ohms, and looks like, let's see, oh, kilo ohms up here. That says Bell Systems here. So I'm going to take this out of its case, which is in pretty good shape, and we'll see what it's about. Here's a closer look at this test equipment. It's not very big, but it sure is well constructed. Here's the inside, and on the left you can see the battery, and on the right you can see that there's not much to the meter, and that's because this meter is made for a specific job. And here I've taken the battery out of the case, and you can see that it runs on 45 volts. Okay, I cleaned this up, and I have zeroed the meter right here. And now I'm going to turn on power, and we'll short this out so we can zero the other part. Let's see, that looks pretty good right there. And it is very sensitive. It is made for reading grounds, but in this case using 45 volts. This is a 10K resistor. And it is right on the 10 mark. And this is divide by 10. Now it is right on the 100 mark. I looked up online and found out that this is a telephone installer repairman's meter for testing lines, telephone lines, the tip and ring, shorts, opens, and grounds. And the REV changes the polarity of the meter leads. Here is a much closer look at that meter face. Bell Systems, and the model number is KS8455L2. And below the meter face are these controls: on-off switch, adjust battery, and the REV that reverses the leads, the polarity of the leads. And below the adjust battery is a button, which is the R divide by 10 button. Now here's a much closer look at the insides. See, there's not much to it. 1% resistors, and everything's heavy duty, so this was made to last a long time. Okay, here it is, all shined up and put back into the case. And on the inside I left a note saying that it takes a 45 volt battery. Thanks for watching.